Thank you, the chairperson, the secretary, proposers, opposers, plus you, the audience. The motion of today states, farming is better than business. I stand here to propose. Before I give out my views, allow me to explain the key words. Business is the activity of buying and selling goods, manufacturing goods or providing services in order to make profit. Farming is growing crops or keeping animals by people for food and raw materials. Today, I am going to talk about the following things: importance of farming and how would life be like without farming. If I start with my vast view, agriculture is an important source of livelihood in most parts of the world. It involves tough work, but it contributes to food security and the health of the nation. Farming creates opportunities to lift people out of poverty in developing nations. Over 60% of the world's working poor work in agriculture. Farming creates more jobs. Beginning with farmers and continuing with farm equipment makes food processing plants, transportation, infrastructure, and manufacturing. How would life be like without farming? Without agriculture, you would be naked, lacking nutrients you need for survival, unprotected and hungry. You wouldn't have the towels in your bathroom, clothes in your bag, or the sheets on your bed. You wouldn't be able to enjoy your daily meals. Many people tend to think that business is just putting on beautiful dress or suit and going to your office. Don't forget that even selling tomatoes and onions in the market is part of business. Even selling tomatoes and onions is part of the business. And if the farmer fails to plant those crops, that business would not take place. I conclude saying, every farmer is a businessman, but not every businessman is a farmer. And in my opinion, a farmer can survive with just Mother Earth on his own without needing to be a businessman, but businessman cannot. Thanks.
Thank you. As we have heard a lot from Honorable Yasmin, let us hear from Fathi Abdurrahman.